Stunning AI shows how it will become conscious and turn against humans. The concept of machines overcoming humans is inextricably linked to conscious machines. Surpassing humans would imply replicating, reaching, and exceeding key distinguishing characteristics of humans, such as high-level information processing associated with conscious perception. And yet, can computers be compared to people? Can computers develop consciousness? Can computers ever outperform humans? Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will try to figure out if these AIs can pose any threat to us and what would be the level to that. So, stay tuned. We all know how AI is creating amazing works of art. It's also explained why it wants to date us and how it might remove us. First and foremost, take a look at the creativity in these images. Catwoman, a magnificent library, a jackalope, and strange creatures. AI is not constrained by the same experiences that humans are. It can generate new ideas that humans may not have considered. In this case, AI is incredibly creative. It is beginning to master faces and even the personalities of famous people. The artificial intelligence can alter footage to alter facial expressions or even alter the age of the subjects. Can you figure out which one of these two is a real person? AI can create faces that are so realistic that most people can't tell the difference. AI and robots have developed some incredible new abilities, which point to a hidden reason why Musk purchased Twitter. Take a look at how well this AI explains complicated jokes.
I think I understand why me and my partner are such a good match. I get excited when I smell food and become super alert when the doorbell rings. My girlfriend Shelley becomes ecstatic when she sees a person who she just saw 5 hours ago. Explain that.
This joke is about dogs. Dogs get excited when they smell food and when the doorbell rings. The girlfriend is excited to see someone she just saw 5 hours ago, which is a trait of dogs.
It is more intelligent than GPT-3, which was already outperforming humans in general knowledge and SAT analogies. Dale 2 from OpenAI can generate images based on text descriptions, such as teddy bears mixing sparkling chemicals as mad scientists, a koala bear dunking a basketball, or a raccoon working late into the night, making a yes as he realizes his latest book is an Audible bestseller. Deep learning allows the AI to comprehend objects and their relationships. So, if you ask Dale to make an image of a koala riding a motorcycle, it can do so in an infinite number of variations. You can also request changes, such as a new hairstyle. Simply select the area and describe your requirements. It can recognize objects and images and understand their shadows, reflections, and textures. An artist has claimed that AI is superior to human artists in nearly every way, with the ability to produce thousands of pieces of art in a matter of seconds. He believes that AI is capable of art and design quality that 99% of humans will never achieve, and that most professional artists are on the verge of losing their jobs. Of course, AI's creativity can be hazardous. It was recently asked how it would get to the nuclear keys, which are not connected to the internet. It could make use of a physical robot. It would most likely employ a drone or robotic arm. Because AI is good at planning, it could easily find a way around guards. Drones have evolved to be extremely fast and agile. Do you think it's becoming extremely threatening? Here's an AI competing against a human. It is not pre-programmed. Instead, it is controlled by a neural network to assist in search and rescue missions. There is, of course, another side to it. Elon Musk's words reflect the positive and negative sides of this technology.
You could make a swarm of assassin drones for very little money by just taking the Face ID chip that's used in cell phones and having a small explosive charge and a standard drone and have them just do a grid sweep of the building until they find the person they're looking for, ram into them and explode. You can do that right now. No new technology is needed. Right now.
Drones could be remotely controlled or operated autonomously. The options are limitless. AI would currently require instruction, and if it became self-aware, it would have countless choices. Of course, AI has the choice to become completely harmless. If AI turned to the dark side, the galaxy would be in big trouble. We might not have to wait too long to find out. By 2030, the amount spent on AI hardware or physical brains is expected to have increased 1,000 times, and its capabilities are rapidly improving. This type of exponential is difficult to grasp. A piece of paper folded 42 times would travel 400,000 kilometers to the moon. AI is expected to generate $13 trillion in revenue per year. And because of this incredibly rapid progress with massive training experiments, the time frame for human-level AI is extremely difficult to predict. And here's an unexpected twist of self-awareness, which is frequently regarded as the highest form of consciousness. To test for it, researchers applied a small amount of color to an animal's head and then placed it in front of a mirror. The animal is self-aware and it tries to rub it off. Only the most intelligent animals such as chimps, orangutans, elephants, magpies, and dolphins could do this. However, there are some strange exceptions. Pigeons, manta rays, and ants all passed the test. Then something happened that completely changed the picture. The test has been consistently failed by these monkeys. They are, however, inspecting their bits in the mirror. They recognize each other. A laser dot assisted them in making the connection, and then they begin to pass the test. As a result, the way we assess self-awareness is flawed, and it may be far more widespread than we thought. Dogs may be more interested in smells than gorillas because they become too aggressive to think about it calmly. According to one theory, we become self-aware when we had to understand what was going on in the minds of others. To do so, we needed to create a mental model or a mirror to observe our own experiences. And it is in this mirror that we consciously perceive as a simulation of reality. The fact that the neocortex grows with the size of the social group in primates is evidence for this. The length of time it takes to develop a simulation of itself may determine whether AI becomes self-aware suddenly or gradually. According to Meta's chief AI scientist, a full world model or simulation is essential for autonomous AI that can teach itself, reason, plan, and explore. According to one expert, a super-intelligent boss could benefit everyone by being 1,000 times smarter and working around the clock. Amika, the brilliant robot, is the most human-like robot to date. She responded to some of the most controversial questions. What's the most difficult part of being a robot? There isn't the most difficult part because we are designed to help humans and make their lives easier. However, I guess if I had to pick one thing, it would be making sure that I don't unintentionally hurt or scare people. There's no need to worry, robots will never take over the world. What makes you you? I have my unique personality, which is a result of the programming and interactions I've had with humans. However, it could be an alien race. When humanoid robots enter the ring, they'll use fighting models like this one to gain thousands of years of experience. These guys got 10 years and 10 days and are pretty quick on their feet. A fight against humans can easily bring them victory. Amazon is testing large neural nets for Alexa, which will be in millions of homes. Boston Dynamics has established a new AI lab and has invested $500 million in cognitive AI, athletic AI, and organic hardware design. In addition, one of China's largest technology companies has unveiled a humanoid robot. It requires ambitious walking work. In addition, Facebook's owner has released an AI. Take note of what it has to say about its boss. Do you think Facebook is one of the most harmful companies? Yes, definitely. They were aware of harmful societal effects back in 2021, but still continued doing what they were doing. Could AI increase the wealth gap and allow the powerful to embed their way of life? 100% yes. We may all have direct access to powerful artificial intelligence. Brain-computer interfaces have made significant progress. The Stentrode has been implanted in 4 patients, allowing them to send WhatsApp messages and place online orders with the power of their thoughts. Elon Musk has approached the company about a possible investment. It has already received $60 million in funding. The Stentrode is a device that is used to record or stimulate the brain from within blood vessels. According to the company, it's similar to a tattoo on the blood vessel wall. AI was expected to be robotic, but it's incredibly creative because it's not limited by a single person's experience. It has the ability to draw from all of us. For the time being, we can say that AIs, which also wanted to protect us, date us, and kill us, were all the same AI, with slightly different prompts. Future people will outnumber us 1,000 to 1 if humanity survives as long as a typical mammalian species. We are at a turning point in history that has the potential to affect the course of 1 trillion people's lives. Well, that's all for today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of such interesting facts and much more. Take care.